Congratulations for buying one of the best modules in NDA. I am Colonel Pradeep Walia, and we have conducted these NDA modules at various Sainik schools and military schools across the country and also in our academy. I will take you through this 50 days of module in the coming couple of minutes. As you're aware, there are two papers, GAT and mathematics. And total marks for these two papers, that is total written marks for NDA, are 900. GAT accounts for 600 marks, and there are 150 questions, 4 marks each. And duration of the course is 2 hours, 30 minutes. Then you have maths paper, which is 300 marks. There are 120 questions of 2.5 marks each, and time duration for the paper is 2 hours, 30 minutes. As this is a competitive examination, you have negative marking as well. For mathematics paper, since it is only 4 marks each, so you have 0.83 per wrong question, and for GAT you have 1.33 because marks per question are 6. As far as mathematics paper is concerned, we have analyzed the past 6 to 7 years papers, and we've formulated a trend. We found that maximum questions are asked from trigonometry, that is 13 to 19 questions. Then you have matrices and determinants, 9 to 14, and similarly in various years the different number of questions have been asked. So based on this particular pattern, we have devised our module so that right amount of weightage and emphasis can be laid on each topic. As far as GAT paper is concerned, it has two parts. Part A contains 50 questions of English, and part B contains 100 questions, and which cover physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography, polity, and general knowledge. The similar analysis we've carried out for various subjects as far as number of questions that figure in each examination are. Physics gets the maximum share of approximately 25 questions, followed by geography, which is 20. Same way, history and polity cover about 20 questions. You have chemistry covering about 15 questions, and you have current events 10 to 12 questions. So that's how the distribution of questions is there in the NDA paper. Gentlemen, will take you through this entire module in 50 days. There will be 4 different faculty members who will be holding your hands till the time you clear this examination. Even after completion of 50 days module, we will continue to handhold till you appear for the examination. Aim is very clear. You should be able to crack the written examination and come out with flying colors. So all the best.
So this is the timetable of 50 days crash course of NDA. This course will be commencing from 1st of July, and it will be there for next 50 days. So as you can see on your screen, day wise we have made schedule that how we will be proceeding in this crash course. So let's suppose if we take day 1. So day 1 will be 1st of July, where in the mathematic portion we will be doing matrices, and in the English we'll be doing spotting the errors, and in biology or GS section we will be doing diversity in living world. Similarly, in day 2 we will be doing determinants in mathematics, spotting the errors in English, and cell division in GS. Again on the third day we'll be doing determinant only, then we're going to have test. Whatever you have studied till now in English, that test will be taken by us. So let's suppose on first and second day we have done spotting the errors. So you will going to have test for whatever you have studied till now in our course, and after this test you are going to have the GS class of constituents of food. Every day you are going to have around 3 hours classes, and these are all pre-recorded classes. Coming to the day 4, you can see again there will be a test. So whatever you have studied till now in mathematics, like matrices, determinant, and again we have done determinant on third day, you're going to have test for these two chapters on day 4 for mathematics. In the next hour you're going to have important phrases of English, and in the next hour you're going to have structural organization of plant and animals. And on the 5th day, as you can see here, we have test written here in English. That means that after the previous test, you have done important phrases only. So you will going to have test for important phrases. So whatever you have done after your previous test, that syllabus will be covered in the next test. So this way we have made the whole schedule, as you can see here. Now, at the end, you can see 45, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50th days, where you will going to have maths complete test papers, doubts and test, chemistry additional, and you will going to have the live doubt clarification with your tutors. So as you can see on the 44th day, it's written here that doubts clarification and test. So in the doubts clarification, whatever doubts you are having, you can clear your doubts with your tutors. On 45th day, we're going to have the past test papers for mathematics, and on the 46th day, we're going to discuss about this paper, the solution of this paper. Similarly, on 45th day in English, we're going to have doubts and test. So whatever doubt you are having, you can clear your doubt with your tutor. And in GS portion, we're going to have chemistry. Similarly, on 46th day, paper discussion will be there, general study, complete test paper. First will be there. That means that the past year papers of NDA will be given to you, and it will be taken as a kind of test. And again in the GS we're going to have test. So this way the whole 50-day module has been made. This is the timetable for 50 days crash course of NDA. Remember that the deadline of this course is 30th of June. Now coming to the lectures. So every day you will be given day by day lectures, and previous day lectures will already be there with you. So in case if you have any doubt in your previous lectures, then you can access those lecture and clear your doubts. Also, if you want to reattempt the test, you can do the reattempt of that test also. Now coming to the enrollment procedure. So as you can see on your screen, there is a link given here. To enroll yourself in this course, then you have to go through this link. You have to register yourself, and then our team will be contacting you for the further procedure, like how these lectures will be given to you and what will going to be the proper schedule of these lectures. Also, if you have any kind of problem or doubt, you can contact on these numbers. In this NDA crash course, your whole syllabus will be completed, and this is a kind of revision lectures and which will boost your performance. So enroll yourself, and all the best for your NDA examination. Thank you.